Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. So when I was down at the Acme show, I picked up some shop cards. When I was down there talking to everybody, I had a really good time down there once again. You guys watched the other video on some of the show coverage down there. So it was a good time, So I'll show you a few shop cards I picked up. I didn't get a lot of them, but that's okay. You know, I'm still kind of new to the game, so it's, you know, I'm meeting guys, and it's such a good community. Everybody's so cool in it. It's unbelievable. Just, I think the model car community is one of the coolest ones out there. I'm going to say that. So I got a few cards here. The first one is from Mr. Rick Zink. Rick, I appreciate the card, and man, it was great meeting you, man. It was really good meeting you. And there's some huge bug that just flew by. Must be getting too warm in here. Anyways, yes, great meeting you, and thank you for the skeleton. I really appreciate that. That was very cool. I have him hanging up right there. I was going to put a noose around his neck and hang him from the edge there, but he's just kind of hanging out in the paint section up there. So, yeah, he's doing okay. So his color's not looking too good, though, but he's all right. Second card we got. This is from GI Mechanics, Scale Modeling. Check out his channel. Cliff is a great guy. I mean, Cliff, you're hilarious. I mentioned that before. And man, it was really good hanging out with you for the time I was down there. And Cliff won the airbrush that was down there at the show. So that was cool to see that. And like I say, I appreciate the card, Cliff. And it, like I say, once again, it was really good meeting you. So the last card I got, this is from everybody's favorite. Everybody knows Tom White. Old Tom, Rambler 69. Tom made some special cards for the Acme Southern show. So Tom was handing these out to people. And Tom, it was really good meeting you. I really appreciate talking to you. You're the legend in the field, man. And just your wealth of knowledge. So really appreciate it. And you have some amazing builds. Other than that, I got some shop cards. I'm getting some new ones made. I had some people request some shop cards. And I don't have any shop cards per se left. I have some, but they're kind of the original batch. You know, they're the ones, there's really no edging on it. They were kind of a mess up from a mix up kind of, or a goof when they printed them. So they weren't correct. So it was one of those, they're just going to throw them away, or I could take them. I thought, well, don't throw them away. I'll do some with them, you know. So I had to give a few of those out, but I do have some new ones getting made and all that good stuff. And this April will be year number 2 for me doing the YouTube gig. And so I'm probably going to make a new card for that. Not quite sure yet. So if you guys have asked me for a card and you haven't got one, or even if I haven't got back with you, I apologize for that, because I'm that guy. You know, I don't check my emails a lot. So bug me. Email me 2 or 3 times. 5 if you have to. If you want one, I will get one to you eventually. I just don't check my email a lot. Yeah, I put it on there. Why do you put it on there if you don't check it? I don't know. I'm that guy. So I'm not a good pen pal. Let's put it that way. So I will get back with you eventually, and at least let me acknowledge you if I do see it. My email gets so crammed full of crap from over the years. I wish I can I need to go in and just tell people, hey, like TSC and Pizza Hut and just all kinds of crap. I get stuff all the time. Every day I get like 100 emails. So it's one of those, I have to type in YouTube and sift through it that way, and try to delete stuff because it's always full. All that good stuff. But anyways, it sounds like I'm making excuses. Well, actually, I kind of am, I guess, but if you look at it that way. Anyways, I'm just trying to say, you guys want a card, bug me a few times. It's nothing personal. I'm not trying to ignore you by any means. I'm busy. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm just busy. It's life. Things are happening in my world, so these things are just nonstop. So I will get a card out to you if you request one, and I'm gonna get some new ones made probably coming April and all that good stuff. So other than that, I'm gonna do a giveaway, a channel giveaway. I hit the 2K mark a while back, and like I say, things have just been busy. Haven't been able to put a video up about that due to the rush going down to the Acme show and then the Detroit show, all that good stuff. So I'm going to do a giveaway, and how I'm going to do it, I'm going to just do it old school like everybody always does. I know there's other things out there to do, but we're just going to do it the old way. I'm just going to have you guys pick a number. Just pick a number from 1 to between 1 and 2,000. and because that's where our subscriber number is at. So everybody pick a number from there, and I'm just going to go that route, and I'll just do the magic thing on the phone, and we'll pick a number that way. And I'm going to do is give away a Hobby Nut Model gift card for you. The gift card is not a physical card, but I can have Hobby Nut Model send you a link, you know, to your email, and when you go to his website, you can just type that number in, and it'll give you that gift card amount and go from there. So I believe that's how Mark and I discussed it. I figured that'd be kind of cool. That way you guys could check out his website, you know, do some shopping down there, and it'll be enough to get you guys, you know, kit, some paint and whatever, all that kind of stuff, just to get you started and go that route. So just a gift from me to you for appreciating you guys checking out the channel and watching and all that good stuff. So so if you want, in the comments, go ahead and put a number in 1 through 2,000, and we're gonna go that way. And in 2 weeks, I'll do a drawing on it, and we'll give that card away to one lucky winner. So that's how we're gonna do it. Yep, that's how we're gonna do it. So and the rule also will be, if I see somebody that say 2 of you guys pick the number 10, whoever the first number 10 was, that's going to be the winner. So if there's 3 people that did 10, whoever did it first, starting at the bottom going up, they will be the first. So check the comments to make sure you're not picking a double number if you're going to go that route. And like I say, we'll just do a number generator on the phone, and we'll pick whoever it is, and I'll get a hold of you through your message and let you know if you won or not, or if you watch the video, you'll know. So that's what we're going to do. So like I say, I appreciate you guys checking out the channel, and appreciate all my subscribers. And if you guys are not a subscriber and you want in on this contest, you got to be a subscriber to win. So that's basically the rule. Just got to be a subscriber. Other than that, you're good to go. So once again, check out those comments, and I'm going to do is, like I say, we're going to start this on this video, and in 2 weeks from now, I'm going to do a drawing video, and we'll do a giveaway for that gift card, and go from there. So once again, I appreciate you guys checking out the channel. Go check out Hobby Nut Models. Get yourself geared up to see what he's got in stock for that gift card, and we'll go from there. So you guys have a good one, and thanks for watching. We will see you the next time around.